During World War II, British soldiers filled explosives inside a dead rat and threw it near the boiler room of the German army. When the German soldiers saw the dead rat, they threw it into the fire without thinking much. As soon as the rat hit the flames, a powerful explosion occurred, killing several German soldiers. In retaliation, the German soldiers came up with their own strategy. They built the strong iron structure and cleverly attached tree bark to it, making it look exactly like a real tree. German soldiers would hide inside and launch surprise attacks on British troops. But the British soldiers were no less clever. To take revenge, they devised a new plan. They hid a gun inside a typewriter and connected its trigger to the number 7 key. Then, they replaced a famous German writer's typewriter with this modified one. When the writer sat in front of a German general and pressed the number 7 key, the hidden gun fired a bullet directly at the general, killing him instantly.